Good morning, everyone. Alright, girls. Today we are going to learn how to find the dividend when the quotient and the remainder is given to us. Alright. I'll be taking a small number first so that it's easy for you to understand. Suppose the quotient given to me is 5. Alright. And let's say the divisor given to me is 10. The remainder given to me is 2. Alright? And I am asked to find the dividend. Alright, this is the question. Now children, here you will notice I have used small letter d and a capital letter D. Small letter d I have used for divisor and capital letter D I have used for dividend. Alright. Now let's start with how to do the question. Alright. You remember how we were checking our answers. So please do not forget the algorithm. It is called as division algorithm, children. Dividend, it is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Please do not forget this. Alright. So what is the division algorithm? It says dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Alright. So what is the divisor here in this question, children? It is 10. And what is the quotient? It is 5. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 2. Alright. Now, we follow the BODMAS as usual. 10 fives are 50. And 50 plus 2, what's the answer? It is 52. So what is our dividend? Our dividend is 52. Alright. Now see what actually we have done. Let's take this question this way. Try to understand, children. It's given to us this way. Divisor is given to us as 10. Alright. Quotient given to us is 5. And the remainder given to us is 2. This is the question that is given to us. Okay? And what is asked from us? It's asked that we should find the dividend. Alright? And do you remember when I was teaching division, I had taught to you how to check your answer. We said quotient multiplied by divisor. It's divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder should give you this as the answer. Am I right? It means 10 fives are 50 and 50 plus 2 is 52. Am I right? See, this is what we have got here even. This is what the question that is asked here. Alright, let's take a bigger number now. I had taken the smaller numbers so that it's easy for you to understand. Let's take bigger number. Now, in this question, what is given to us? Excuse me. Quotient is 56. Now, divisor is 65 and our remainder is 50. And what is asked is the dividend. Alright, so first we will write the division algorithm. That is, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Alright, so let's start writing. What is the divisor here, children? It is 65. And what's the quotient? It is 56. And what's the remainder? The remainder is 50. Alright, so what should we do? We will first multiply these two numbers, get the answer, and whatever answer we get, we are going to add 50 to that. Alright? Now, you know how to multiply a two-digit number. We have already finished with multiplication. Am I right? So let me do the rough work for you. 65 multiplied by 56. So what's the answer? 5 6 are 30. 0 carry 3. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 is how much, children? 36, 37, 38 and 39. So this is used up. Now we are multiplying with a digit sitting at the tens place. So we have a 0 here. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 is 32. And then we add up. So what's the answer? 0, 14, 4 carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6 and then we have a 3 here. So we got the answer 3640, which should be written over here. 3640. And then what is the dividend? We have to add these two, write the answer. It is 0963. I hope, children, it is clear to you. And if at all you have any confusion, you are definitely free to give me a call. You can call and ask your doubts, clarify your doubts. Do not go ahead with doubts in your mind. Is it clear? So thank you and have a nice day.